everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So tie the half hairs on the back and then put this ribbon on the hairs. Now divide the hairs into two parts, make the plaits and it's ready. Next we will tie the hairs on the top. Now take the hairs on the sides and join them by making the plaits like this. Fix it on the other way as well in the same manner. Tie the plaits on all the hairs till the end. Now we will join them at the back and it's ready. Next we will tie the hairs on the top and then put this thread on the hairs and then fold it like this to fix it. Now make the plaits on the hairs to fix the threads. Tie a ponytail and it's ready. Next tie the hairs on the top, rotate it and make the plaits. Now take small sections and fix it out them from the between of the plaited hairs. Now make the plaits by joining them. Join the hairs on the back and it's ready. Next we will tie the hairs on the sides like this and join the hairs by folding it upward. Now on the sides we will put the ribbon and make the plaits. Now fold it upward and fix it and it's ready. Next tie the hairs on the sides and then fold it upward using the bun plaits like this. Fold it from the sides like this, spread the hairs and it's ready. Next make a ponytail. Now use this bun plaits to fold the hairs upward and spread it from the sides, fix it and it's ready. Next you have to tie the hairs on the top, divide the hairs into two parts. Now make the plaits on the sides of the hairs by joining them into small sections like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next tie the ponytail, divide the hairs into two parts and fix the ribbon. Now tie the plaits together and fold it like this and join it by folding it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next we will be making a ponytail on the hairs on the back and fix this bun plate. Now roll the hairs upward and fold it like this and spread it and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next you have to tie the ponytail and then fold the hairs upward and fix it by folding it from the sides by fixing this bun plate, fix the hairs and it's ready. Next you have to tie the hairs in these small sections. Now rotate the hairs. After that fix the threads on the hairs. Now make the plaits to fix the thread on the hairs like this and then make a ponytail and it's ready. Next tie the hairs on the sides by taking small sections and join them by rolling it like this. Fold it one by one. Now join all the hairs and make the plaits on the hairs like this. Fix it by tying the hairs and then join it using a rubber band and it's ready. Next fix this bun plate on the hairs and roll it upward like this and fix it by folding it and it's ready. Next, take small section of the hairs and make the plaits by dividing them into three parts. Now keep taking the hairs from the back like this to make the plaits. Join them on the sides, take the plaits till the end and after that we will fold the hairs upward and fix it like this using multiple color rubber bands and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs by fixing it like this. Now put this bun stick and roll the hairs upward, fix it and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.